Hi there, and welcome to Beyond Clean, your go-to spot for better cleaning. My name is Dale Rawlick, and in this series, we're going to walk you through simple tips of our most popular pieces of equipment. Whether you're unboxing, assembling, or you're ready to hit the floors, we've got you covered. Now we're going to dive into today's episode of Beyond Clean. Keeping with the series of Beyond Clean, we're doing the N12 upright, the same as with the N15 upright. Just simply unboxing the piece of equipment. There is the crevice tool and the attachment piece. The hose will be separate as well. The main unit with the power cord attached, detail hose, and the appropriate power head with the machine. Continuing with the assembly for the main base onto the specific power head, be it the 12 or the 15. Easiest done looking from the front and not from the back, clicking and locking into position. The hose does not have to open up the top part of the throat, just a simple push in, putting the hose in. The last piece to put together is the bracket to hold the crevice tool and or the optional tube and dusting brush. The last piece to put together on the upright is the bracket system. By removing the screw, you can have the screw still placed inside. The bracket piece fits from the top to the bottom, up to the here, snapping that point together, and then putting it down through. From there, tighten the screw. Once the screw is tightened, just simply place the crevice tool and or tube inside.